Now through February 16th, Beauty Bio is adding a limited edition Kiss Kit free with any order, which includes a wristlet and a volumizing lip serum. Through the end of the month, enjoy a free full-size Perfecting Blend Drops on orders $50 and up, plus 2 times the rewards points on all Blend Drops purchases. For all these deals, use my discount code NIKKI15 at beautybio.com. Beauty Bio is a skincare and beauty device brand known for combining performance-driven formulas with at-home beauty tools that aim to deliver noticeable results. They focus on clean, clinically inspired skincare that avoids many harsh ingredients and are committed to transparency and cruelty-free testing. Beauty Bio also creates patented beauty tools like microneedling and pore cleansing devices that are designed to be used alongside their topical skincare for more effective results at home. So check out some of the great products they have, and don't forget to use my discount code NIKKI15.